What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm so excited to make a quick review of this HD pen mini camera. I'm doing a full real world review and test of the 1080p HD mini body camera. Is this discreet pen camera the ultimate tool for home security, nanny cams and personal documentation? I put it to the test so you don't have to. I tested everything from the 1080p HD video quality in different lighting, the long battery life and how it looks. I also show you exactly how to use it as a discreet nanny cams for outdoors adventures and for general home security. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, let's open this and see what we have here. As you see, here we have HD pen camera and here we have the instructions. Let's move this away. So this is the smart pen with camera. It comes with a lot of features. It has true 1080p high definition recording, ultra mini lightweight pen design, support up to 64GB storage, SD card included, long-lasting rechargeable battery, simple one-button operation and ideal for indoor, outdoor use. So here we have pen camera user manual. This contains all the information you want to know about this pen and how to use it. It's very detailed. Okay, now let's open the pen box and see what's included inside. Okay, so this is a memory card reader. You just need to put the memory card inside it to see all the photos and videos taken by the pen. Here we have screwdriver that you can use to remove the pen refill. Here we have 5 pens refills and SIM eject pin plus USB adapter. Here we have the charger cable, and finally here we have the pen. It's very lightweight and beautifully designed. Okay, so here you can turn this right to use it as normal pen and turn it left to hide the pen head. Here as you see we have the hidden camera. Just by looking at the spy camera pen, it looks like a regular pen and you can even write with it if ever needed. So for an untrained eye, it's very hard to detect the lens which is right here on the clip. And as you can see, it's not very easy to detect if you've never seen a spy pen before and know what to look for. So if you open it up here, you can see the memory card and the charger port. It comes with a 4GB memory card, but you can also change it up to 64GB if you would like. You can also charge the pen from here. So at the top here we have the power button. Just press and hold to turn it on. Once turned on, you should see a blue light indicator as you see. So how to use it? It's pretty simple. Just press on the button one time to take a photo. The light indicator will flash one time. If you press and hold the power button, it will start recording. Okay, it's now recording. So how to stop recording the video? A short press the power button to save and stop the recording. A short press the power button again to continue recording, and that's it. Pretty simple and easy to use. So this is the mini pen camera. Here is a disclaimer. Please be aware of your local laws and regulation regarding video and audio recording. This video is for informational and review purposes only. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. So here is a quick reminder of its features. This product is a multifunction pen that combines a high quality writing instrument with a discreet 1080p HD video camera. Its key features include dual function. It works as a smooth writing pen while simultaneously recording video and photos. Smart recording. It has loop recording, which automatically overwrites old footage when the storage is full, and includes a 64GB memory card. Easy file access with OTG support, and including adapters, you can instantly connect the pen to your phone or computer to view, transfer and share files. Complete kit. It comes with everything needed for operation, including pen refills, tools for setup and a clear user manual. The videos you are seeing now has been recording with this pen. It's not that perfect, but it's really good. You will find the product link below the video if you want to buy this pen camera. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.